Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Lady Musgrave Road and we're going to look at this finished building on Lady Musgrave Road. That's the building on the right and it's a commercial building. Now there are a few developments going on Lady Musgrave Road. Like 4 major developments, 2 commercial buildings and 2 residential buildings. So this one is practically finished. There's some finishing touches left, so we can just say it's the finished building. And this building is close to the intersection of Lady Musgrave Road and Hope Road, by the King's House stoplight, that intersection. Basically, it's right next to there's a plaza right there. I don't remember the name of it now, but it's close to TGIF Friday. As you can see, very nicely designed. If anybody knows what the rent is in these buildings, or this building or any other building that we talk about, you can let us know. Just leave a message in the comment section and we will include it in the upcoming videos. But this building is really nicely designed, very artistic. So at the corner of Lady Musgrave Road and Trafalgar Road, there is another high-rise building going up. This one looks like 2 or 3 floors, but the one in front of Spick and Span, that one is much taller. We're going to get more details on it and include it in follow-up videos. And then further down on Lady Musgrave Road, down by Brampton Avenue, that's off Lady Musgrave Road, there's First Rock is building a 10-story residential unit. I think it's going to have like 144 apartments in it, like studios, apartments, 1 bedroom. We'll do a video on that and give you more details. But though that's a residential building, that one is actually off Lady Musgrave Road. And then the one in front of Spick and Span is a commercial building. It's going to be a high rise, and we'll get more information on that one as well. And then on Lady Musgrave Road, further up, across the road from the hotel, AC Hotel, they're going to put up a residential complex. So those are the 4 buildings, including this one, that are under development on Lady Musgrave Road. And Lady Musgrave Road is going to be upgraded. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway. It's going to look like Barbican Road. So that will definitely be a plus with all these new developments coming on stream. Alright, so we're going to show you the back of the building now. And this building has underground parking, like a basement parking lot. So on the right now you have some parking, but there is also parking underneath. You have to really admire all the construction going on in Jamaica. There's so much development. This is one road, Lady Musgrave Road, and you have 4 major developments going on. 4. And this is happening all over Jamaica. Almost every road you have this kind of development. And let's say the road right beside this one, Hope Road, between Halfway Tree and Ligani, you have 1, 2, 3 high-rise buildings going up. You have the Usain Bolt call center going up across the road from Andrews Hospital. That's going to be, I think it's a 10-floor high-rise. And then further up the road, you have another across from King's House. You have another high-rise building going up. I think that one is going to be residential. And then further up the road, across the road from Sovereign, you have the GMB building going up. So that's just on another road right beside Lady Musgrave Road to show you the kind of development going on in Jamaica. Not to mention off the Musgrave Road when you're going into New Kingston, the residential area, so many buildings under construction. It's amazing. I've never seen this level or this amount of construction going on at one time. There you consider doing some finishing touches on the building, mostly cosmetic work. The actual building is finished and it's very nicely designed, I must say. Very impressive. We're not going to go down into the parking lot today, but there is a underground parking lot to the right, or where we're driving out now. That is the entrance to the underground parking lot. Alright, so we're going to head back out onto Lady Musgrave Road now. Now the upgrade of the main road, Lady Musgrave Road, is going to start this year. And also the road across from it, East King's House Road, is also going to be upgraded. So the flow of traffic along this corridor, it's going to be so much better. Now remember I was saying how nice this building looks. Very, very well designed, I must say. Alright, so this is Lady Musgrave Road now. So it's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway with the Jersey barrier in the middle. And it shouldn't take long to upgrade because in terms of putting up walls or moving walls back, everything seems to be in the right place. So it's just really to upgrade the road, put in a dual carriageway, and if necessary put in the water pipes. That might actually be what takes the longest. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.